Ever wondered about the magic behind how computers in a network communicate with one another? How does a message from one computer find its way to another? Well, the secret lies in network topologies, and today we're going to explore one of the most fundamental types of network topologies, the bus topology. So, what exactly is a bus topology? Picture a long cable like a bus route with computers or stations connected along its length. This is the essence of a bus topology. This bus or main cable acts as a communication conduit, transmitting data from one end to the other. The data, or passengers, board the bus at one station and travel along the cable until they reach their destination station. But why is bus topology important? Well, it brings simplicity and cost-effectiveness to the table. Because all devices connect to a single cable, it requires less cabling than other topologies, making it a cost-effective choice for small networks. Plus, it's easy to understand and implement, which makes it a go-to solution for many network designers. When a device wants to communicate with another, it sends a message onto the bus, which travels to all connected devices. But only the intended recipient, identified by a unique address in the message, will accept and process it. All other stations ignore the message. It's like shouting in a crowded room, but only the person you've called by name will respond. Now, it's not all sunshine and rainbows with bus topology. There are some pitfalls to be aware of. For one, if the main cable encounters a problem, the entire network goes down. It's like if a road were blocked off, no one could get to their destinations. Also, as more and more devices connect to the bus, the network can slow down due to data collisions. In summary, a bus topology is a type of network design where all devices connect to a single cable. Its simplicity and cost-effectiveness make it an attractive choice for small networks, but its reliance on a single cable and potential for slowdowns as more devices connect are important considerations. So, the next time you send a file or an email, think about the journey it's taking. It might just be hopping on the bus, making its way down the cable to its destination. And now, you'll know exactly how that happens. Isn't it fascinating how the digital world mirrors our own in so many ways? That's all for now. Stay curious and keep exploring.